Okay, the internet wants to know. You just made close to, what, a little over 1,400 foot-pounds of torque at the tires on supposedly a stock bottom end 5.3. Is that true?
Yes, sir, that is correct.
What else is done? I mean, aside from the turbos, is it basically a stock motor with just turbos thrown on it and a whole ton of boost?
It's aluminum 5.3 on 25 pounds of boost. It's an L33, LS6 head, sporting polished. Main studs torqued to 100 pounds. Head studs torqued to 100 pounds. Holley high ram, E85 fuel, no intercooler, and just a bunch of boost.
How many pounds of boost were you making on that last pull?
That was on a quarter, 25.
25 pounds of boost, man. It's freaking serious business, man. Thanks for bringing it out.
All right.
All right.